On the Aquatrax motors, I like to mark things as I'm pulling them apart. So each one of these water manifold bolts has a circle across a line which corresponds with a mark I've made on the actual manifold itself. So there's blue texture markings, black texture markings, red, yellow accordingly. So everything's marked against the manifold. And same with over here, there's might be a bit hard to see, there's markings on these, some white liquid paper markings as well, paint, textures, whatever you want to use, or you can lay them out on a piece of foam and mark them on a piece of foam, but I recommend this as a good tip to make sure that everything goes back exactly where it came off of.